going to talk about another force called gravity. Our planet Earth has a strong gravitational pull. Can you say gravitational pull? Good job. That's a long one. The gravitational pull on our planet is what keeps us on the ground, so we don't just float away. But on the moon, it doesn't have as strong of a gravitational pull, and that's why astronauts can jump really high. It looks like fun. I haven't been to space. Have you been to space? Not yet. Okay, so now we're going to use gravity as a force to move an object. Find your marble again, and we are going to use your force of push. I want you to push your marble, and then I want you to mark where it ended, okay? With whatever, a shoe, a toy, doesn't matter. Now we are going to create gravity. You have a ruler, you just have to lean it against something, and we have created a ramp. And that gravitational pull pulls things up? No, down. We're going to see how strong the gravitational force is. So you're going to hold your marble up here at the top and then let it go. See if it goes as far as your force of push did. Maybe you can make it steeper. Maybe you have something that's even longer. Go ahead and experiment. It's lots of fun.